flame, no off switch running through our veins. Every sunrise fuels the drive, a burning vision comes alive. Step by step, we build it right, through every day and every night. No slowing down, no second guess. We move with purpose, nothing less. 24/7, feel the drive. We keep the fire in us alive. Every moment, every breath, we give our all, we give our best. 24/7, hearts on fire, lifting the world a little higher, sharing the passion, letting it grow, bringing the light wherever we go. Every day's a chance to show the deeper truth we've come to know. Not just work, but something real. A force you live, a force you feel. With Ash we